Kahapon ay na-trade si Patty Mills. Hindi pa nakapagsuot ng Thunder uniform ay nalipat na naman papuntang Atlanta Hawks. Samantalang ang makukuha naman ng Thunder is another pick. Second rounder nga lang plus na Rudy Gay, Ty Washington at Usman Garuba to complete the deal. Si Washington at Garuba ay parehong first rounders at merong potential na ma-develop. Pero yung Thunder currently ay wala silang space for them. No, magkakaroon pa rin ng chance sa training camp. As per Rudy Gay naman, nasama lang talaga sa package for John Collins to match the contract and the Hawks unload him. Getting Patty Mills for the Hawks sobrang okay. Ito yung team na low-key kong sinusuportahan. Yung move na to is, pagkita mo pa lang na veteran point guard is matutuwa ka talaga, lalo kung meron kang Trae Young. Familiar move ito from the Memphis Grizzlies acquiring D-Rose to guide Ja Morant. For the Hawks, what a way na isang NBA champ ang mag-guide rin kay Trae Young. Isa sa mga may smoothest jump shot in today's game. Picture perfect release. Maybe he can add some variations kay Trae Young. Tsaka yung decision making is magiging malaking parte dito si Patty Mills sa kanyang development. Trae needs to evolve his game, avoid bad shot selections, guide him when to pass or to score. Kasi kung mga endgame, syempre, you still want the ball in your best player's hand. Overall, andyan naman yung maturity na ni Trae Young over the years, but adding Patty Mills is a good addition for his development. Next, may balak pang bumalik sa NBA si John Wall. Merong report na nagkakaroon ito ng mga private workout sa mga NBA teams and yung isang team na na-leak ay ang Portland Trail Blazers. Maybe another familiar move for their young Scoot Henderson, lalo kung aalis si Damian Lillard. Sa 2022 season, in 34 games sa LA Clippers, nag-average ito ng 11.4 points, 5.2 assists at 2.7 rebounds. Nawala na yung explosiveness pero yung playmaking andyan pa rin. Tsaka syempre yung mga right decisions is on point. Mas nagfo-focus talaga yung mga point guard sa ganun kapag long term na sa liga. According to Bleacher Report is ganun na nga yung binabalak ng Portland Trail Blazers kay John Wall. If maging done deal na yung trade kay Lillard, gagawin nilang mentor si John Wall para kay Scoot Henderson. Which is always good naman talaga yung mga ganitong move Minimum deal and magandang investment para sa inyong young players. If ever na Blazers signs him, magiging masaya tayo. Si John Wall yung isa sa mga players ng ating era. Sa mga kaedad ko dyan, that's all for this video. I will now step back. Bye-bye.